Hello, friends, and welcome to Slow English with Cora. Today, I want to answer this question and see the difference between cooking and baking. We use cooking or cook for things on top of the stove, on the fire. For example, I cook some pasta or I cook some bacon on top of the kitchen. Now, baking is when something goes inside the oven, especially cakes or bread. We bake a birthday cake or we bake some bread. There are foods that can be used with both. For example, potatoes. I cook some boiled potatoes or I bake some potatoes with cheese. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.